I got some big updates for you guys. Today's video, I got my new phone back. So we're back on the 15 Pro Max, looking beautiful. Once again, I got off work yesterday and come home to a crazy surprise, right? Check it out. So yesterday when I got off work, this was just sitting in the backyard on some crazy shit, right? And this is at my crib that's in an hour and a half away from Charlotte. It would have cost me like $250, like $300 to have it shipped to Gastonia. But it would have probably cost me like $5, $6 to have it shipped down here. And it just magically appeared. I guess they got tired of it sitting at their lot because it's been there for over a month now. So they just towed it, got it here. I was hoping that they wouldn't try and be like, oh, we're gonna auction your car off or something. That'd have been tight, but it just magically showed up. So we're gonna start on the process of getting this thing taken apart, getting it worked on, seeing if it is fixable. From what I'm seeing, it's looking like it's not gonna be too bad to get it, back running, riding. It's gonna be a lot to get it back how I bought it, but it's not really the goal as of right now. So as of right now, we're just working on trying to get this tire taken off and seeing what's the damage under here, because this is where most all the damage is. First things first though, the battery's dead. So we're gonna get that jumped real quick. I don't think I'm gonna try and start it, but I'm just gonna get the battery turned on so I get this wheel turned, try and get this wheel off. So as you guys can see, we are getting quite a few codes here. So these are all the notifications that it's throwing right now. We do have power to it now. The battery is good. Try and get this wheel turned real quick. Oh man, it's about 500 fucking pounds. That should make it a lot more manageable to get that tire off now. Oh shit, it's gotta be down for me to break it loose. I knew that for sure. Definitely knew that. Slowly depress. Put it back on there. I just heard it throw a code whenever I did that, so I'm not sure what that did. Other than piss the car off. Nah. Huh. I don't think that goes there. Goes there neither. I do not believe I have any of my German tools. I'm gonna go check real quick. Sounds like it's about to storm, but I was able to find my Eurospec tools. I didn't think I have them here with me. So I don't know the first fucking thing about working on a car, but I do know I should probably start top bottom, work my way down, taking shit apart. And I'd assume that these are 10 mils, just as a guess. Yeah, they're all They are all 10 mils. Nice. All of those anyway. Yeah, I'll need that tool. And I'll need a baggie. Okay, now, having not done any research beforehand, I have no clue what size bits I'm gonna need. But in my hand, the Euro Spec set. That should, hopefully, be of right size. Oh shit, I broke the fucking bit. Well, it was working beautifully when it was working. I should be a little bit more careful with just taking shit off. That's fucking progress, baby. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck if I got call it quits for right now. That's progress. We make progress. Well, it's about to rain, guys, so I'm gonna call it for today. I don't want to do it.